Hello everyone, welcome to Royal Poem World. Today we will learn a speech on Father's Day. Let's begin. Respected Principal Sir, honorable guests, dear teachers and my dear friends, good morning to everyone. Today I am standing here to express my thoughts on Father's Day. A father is one of the most important people in our lives. He is the person who works hard every day to fulfill our dreams and give us a better future. A mother gives us life, but a father teaches us how to live it with courage and confidence. When we were children and fell down, our mother picked us up. But our Father taught us how to stand again and move forward. The love of a father is often silent, but it is one of the strongest forms of love in the world. He sacrifices his comfort so that we can live comfortably. He hides his pain behind a smile so that we can always stay happy. Many times fathers do not express their emotions in words, but their actions speak louder than anything else. Friends, the richest person in the world is not the one who has the most money. For me, the richest person is a father who says to his child, "Don't worry, my child, I am here for you." A father is like a strong tree that protects his family from every storm. He stands in the heat of life's struggles so that his children can enjoy the shade of happiness. Whenever we achieve something in life, the happiest person is often our father. He may not always show his emotions, but his eyes shine with pride when he sees us succeed. Today on Father's Day, let's take a moment to thank our fathers for their love, sacrifices, and endless support. Let us tell them how much they mean to us. A simple thank you, Dad, can become the most precious gift for him. Before I end my speech, I would like to say a father is a hero without a cape. A father is a guide who shows us the right path. A father is a blessing whose love stays with us forever. Let us respect, love, and cherish our fathers every day. Happy Father's Day to all the wonderful fathers around the world. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Royal Poem World.